Hey, Writing 122, this is your instructor support Newton-Calvert, just doing a little preview of week 2 of the course. So far, our class community is really great. I appreciate that you guys are working on connecting. That makes the class so much more fun and so much more meaningful for our learning as a group. Okay, so here's our newsfeed. Remember to keep checking back here. The course calendar of all due dates is linked right here, in addition to being in course content. And you can see that for week 2, we have a conversation running in VoiceThread with first post due Wednesday and follow-up conversation due by Saturday. And we also have your first writing project due and your writing journal too. Now, the one thing I want to say about writing journal 2 is that it would help you to do it early on in the week because it's kind of a pre-writing activity to writing project 1. So it should help you just get your ideas generated for that writing project. It's your first essay that's due, so I know there's always a little anxiety around that. Do remember that if you want to talk through something with me or you want to email IM, chat, let me know early on in the week so that I can help you out. Okay, so, I also wanted to show you, in content, just to remind you how to get to important information, go to the weekly learning folders and go right to week 2. Going through that content tab is going to save you a lot of headaches. It has an overview of the week, some notes from me, information on how I evaluate your writing, a guide to writing process notes. Those are a required part of your paper. A little video that I made about why we have writing process notes. So if you're confused about them or why we have them, watch that video. A sample of a writing project 1 with the person's writing process notes included, and an additional paper with MLA format. This class does use MLA style, so check that out and make sure that you have the heading and the title and all that good stuff. You can look at a selection of these readings as part of our discussion, and there are also some student samples. I always find it helpful to look at a sample when I'm trying to figure out a genre of writing, so those are some great samples for you to check out. And then you can click to right to the discussion here. And information about writing project 1 is attached to the Dropbox as it is with writing journal 2. So once you click on that, either of these, you'll see the assignment instructions. Please, again, ask me questions early in the week. If you have them, I'm here to help you, and I look forward to reading your work.